What's the meaning of airline? Airline. 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 Airline.
An airline is a company that provides air transportation services for passengers and cargo. It operates aircraft to carry passengers or freight from one location to another. Airlines are responsible for managing flight schedules, maintaining aircraft, training pilots and crew, ensuring safety regulations are followed, and providing customer service. The industry has faced significant challenges in recent times due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which has led to decreased demand for travel and forced many airlines to implement cost-cutting measures such as reducing the number of flights and furloughing staff.